ago cheme kenyeme bemi amofia mode omanye yo ya ke mofia mo ye wale ojogba denche ye cho felena iradon ake e wo fe wale ni woke kaseni ni ake ni won kaseni ni mekume amefia ame yake amefia me ku na meke maleme na meke woma kondun ona amefia me woma kondun shake ni won woye ni afanwo ni wo ba jaje wo kan won jaje ye ifia ona watashi wona ke audio video ko ni ya ona ya run ye neteno keni bi about okay Kelvin no wanye me ko meni amati Kelvin Taylor ese ni amele wrong informations ni leun de ke ni nejile journalist jile alo media jile efe search kra keke keme ba no na ma kele no ni yuo no ni emoy shi nakani aka ni fitelo ye na me fia me ka me fite ni ele nakani no ambata o mo ni fiti oni ona ni fitelo na amba tese na me gba fite ni si chofele un ni jinyumbo enwe nakan gbe kokoko manche nyumbo ni to ni monafo emue onye obaleshi onyo fitele ona onyo fele noko no ni nyumbo egma no egma odomesi si nyekwa ni ekeba
conduct a search at the registry of the National House of Chiefs and furnish us with the following information. The search was done, and this is the information that came out from the National House of Chiefs. The court went to do a search there, and it says whether Ni Taki Tego through, aka Dr. Kelvin Taki, the current chief of the Gans, the Gamanche, says name was being entered into the National Register of House of Chiefs as the Gamanche, paramount chiefs of Ga traditional area. It says no. Let me read it again. Whether Ni Taki Teko, Truth, aka Dr. Kelvin Taki's name, has been entered into the National Register of Chiefs as the Gamanche. That's the paramount chief of the Ga traditional area. The answer that came out of the search was no. When you go to the second question, if yes, when? It's not applicable. It does not exist. The third question says, if no, can the said Ni Taki Teko Suru perform statutory functions as the Gamanche? It says no. This is a document from the House of Chiefs, the National House of Chiefs, to the court. And this is what we are talking about. When you go to the fourth one, if no, can Ni Taki Teko Turu be the president of the Ga Traditional Council? No. After the search by the court instructed the House of Chiefs to give answers to this, and you are seeing it there. When you go down, it says whose name appears in the National Register of Chiefs as the paramount chief of the Ga traditional area, Kentucky Adama Lache II. So the current Gamanche, his name is not in the National House of Chiefs book. He has not been gazetted.
Wulu nekeba akesi search ni ayafe nyina ke ne ba che rulie ni echo rulie court ya face search court ya na face search na ba nyepo paper de ke chon wo yi paper de ke chon ye video yin eche date ye fa nyepo atu yi eche date misani eche date ke eche date na ba compare ke rulie na echo ni namo judge ne Frederick Tete aba compare na kwake ani anu kwale ni lo alo ame woma kondu ona kani ame fe ame yake ma kondu ame wo ona ame male na ame woma kondu wo yena ke search de ke ba eche de te search ni oje blema search ko na ma fe no mi akekintagite ko chulugbe ewo ko jeme no search ni yo jeme ona ni ko be de wele e ke search sorry e ke court ya fe search ne court ya fe search wolo ni jepoju no ni yo je ni fa ni bi mi bi ala kesi me be ate na kan court ni court na fe search ni ne ke sinine search jepo result jepo onu mi nsi because na ke rule ne yin niji eke Freddy Tete na kan rule ake lache gbe ayawo mi ate appeal ona a file stay pending appeal na te appeal stay to get both a stay new fe eneke I court ke appeal fe stay fe no nyeba na ke nyeba na woke a stay of exclusion woke ba ona woke ba chon ni mo fi amo na ke no ni Frederick yin no ni ehane eke Frederick dimoni ha a stay le na ke passage no appeal no etuni bi ane a stay le no mi pa fa ni abi Kelvin Taylor akesi make court ate ni court ani a fe search ni ke search ejepo na gbe ni search oni oje eche date ni yo search no ewo ko nu wo fe wona ame male ni wo njaje nye kwa nke bulletin ni je government bulletin nke ba ni je National House of Chiefs ona National House of Chiefs bulletin nke ba ni nye na akenye kwa mo ni gbe ni yo jeme na gazette le keje ni amugi se Manchester Gazette le eye bulletin mi nye kwa keji ni Adamu Lache ke egbe ye bulletin egbe ye gazette ni mi ye ekaba ni no wo ko kemi sumo ekere wo kendo baba egbe ni afomi ye wo ka baba nye na ni le Adamu Lache no ete ama kintakite ko tru no injunction ni regional house ruling akasi le jimanche si eye manche kashibeni abagbe dodo wasande na kan ruling ehun ikene kan ruling we ba nyekwa ni Adamu Lache achon wolo ni chon ake le ji gamanche ni wokwe onu mi nsi achon wolo ni chon ake le ji gamanche ni wo fe wo ke kase ni ro mi pa Kelvin Taylor fai ake achon date achon wo date ni yo search no ifa no wa gbe na achon gbeni at a court because na kan court a stay na kan rule say na rule ne ya a stay le when a stay le mi pa le fa ne achon court na te ni court order na fe search ni lo ke result na achon jepo ko ne ya wo result a date won pa le fai ni amepa ma ko dun wo si woye wo pa jaje mo wo ba jaje kenibi na maleson na me fi ameka me ken tojo aba bi ame nyomo aba bi ame nyomo se ba bi ame nyomo gbogbo na no wo ke ni bi eba ni chun akesi kitakite ko chulu leji gazetted chief president of Ghana Traditional Council bulletin mi government bulletin mi wokeba ni nyekwe fe nyeyu adon wokela che egbe na fomi hu baba ni nyefe nyekwe nyeyu adon